Hey class, just as a quick review for how to do systems of equations, we have 3 examples here. Let's start with the one on the furthest left. Remember, when we graph these, we need to start with our equation y equals mx plus b. And so I'm just going to write that at the top so I can remember. I'm going to start at my b, which is -4. So I'm going to go down to -4 on my graph and put a dot. Now, my slope is, or m, 3 over 1. So I'm going to go up 3, over 1, up 3, and over 1. And then I'm going to draw in my line. Okay, now I'm going to do the other line with my b being at +3 and my slope being, or m, is -1 over 2. So down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. Now I'm going to draw in that line. And I'm going to put in the line there. Alright, so the solution for a system of equation is where the two lines cross. I see that they cross, so I'm going to look at that point. And remember, we do our x values first, so I start at the origin. And then I move over 1, 2, so a 2 goes in my x spot, and now I go up 1, 2, so a 2 goes in my y spot. Alright, so let's look at the next one. It is also already in y-intercept formula, so I can just start graphing right away. So you can see that I have graphed the first equation, y equals 2x plus 1. I started at 1. And then I go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. I put my line in. And there we go. Now the next line I'll do in blue. So now you can see I've graphed the other one. I started at -2, I went up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. These two lines are parallel, they will never cross, so I get to write no solution. And I can see that because my slope for both of them, or m, is equal to 2, so they will never cross. So let's look at the last one. Are they both in slope-intercept formula? They are not, so I need to take a moment and make sure that I can get them into it. I'm looking at the second equation and seeing that it is 2y equals 4x plus 2, so I need to get x alone by dividing by 2. When I do that, I get y equals 2x plus 1. When I do that, I notice that that is the exact same equation as before. So when I graph them, I'll graph the blue one first because that's what we're working on right now. I'm going to start at +1, and I'm going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. I'm going to put that in. Okay, now I'm going to do the red line, or the top one. Again, I'm starting at 1, and I'm going up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and when I graph them, they graph right on top of each other. And so that means I have infinite solutions because the lines are always touching at every point. So I write infinite solutions. That's a quick review of how to graph systems of equations.